Yee! Hey guys. So, y'all know I'm really behind on videos by now, if you aren't aware. And I kind of forgot about a convention that I filmed a vlog for. So, let's go back in time to 2022 LA Comic-Con. Let's go! About to go and pick up our badges. Yee.
Tiffany cosplay. This is Karsten, Leona. We were all working behind the scenes to make that moment happen. So we're so excited to see you. But well done in winning, and welcome to LA.
Thank you! Tour. We actually came to the hotel last night at midnight, which was 2 a.m. for our time. So we were a bit tired and did not want to do the tour then. There's a lot of issues with trying to get an Uber to take us to our place. So yeah, that was a nightmare. But anyway, here's our lovely room. So yeah. And then it's a small room with our Gundam. But yeah, This was day 1. It was really weird. This is actually my first convention as not a guest at since 2019. So it was weird to be just an attendee. But I got to see a lot of my cosplayer friends. And then we did a scavenger hunt with the convention. The scavenger hunt was cool. The reward was kind of lame. It was a collectible card with a $5 off coupon for their merch. Yay! But lots of walking. We did a lot of exploration and just trying to figure out where I have to go tomorrow for the Cosplay Contest judging. But it's a lot of fun. Food is expensive, as always. So yeah, I might go and try to find a drink somewhere since it's only 8 and we got a lot of the night spots for tomorrow. So yeah. I finally did a test fit of the Gundam and it works. Yay!
figurine, as well as to learn a new technique of covering deviant foam stretch rhino for the first time. We'd also like to thank Mr. Jesse for being our cosplay handler this weekend, as well as the Metaverse for giving her the opportunity to come to LA Comic-Con in person.
Woo! Behind you, Brownie.
Are you getting out of this? Okay, I have no idea what we're doing.
We're gonna go meet Hoku at his hotel, and Sammy, and see their little doggo, and get a drink. Eee. Day 3, I'm exhausted and we're heading back over for our last time, so.
yes, that was yesterday. I'm cosplaying this girl.
Rainbow. Okay, do you want one?
Yeah.
I don't know prices. What do you want? Are you want to share?
Rainbow.
You want a rainbow too or share?
Rainbow one.
I have one of those. They're so soft. They're too soft. Okay, there you go. Hey, perfect. Oh my god. I want giant Eevees. Thanks guys for watching this convention vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. And what was your favorite thing about this convention? Let me know in the comments, as well as a big thank you to all of my company sponsors, as well as my YouTube members. And I will see you for our next convention video. Much love, guys.